Aloha from Hawaii.
Aloha
from Hawaii. Welcome back, you beautiful people. Check that out. Oh my God. I was about to load up the surfboards and the skateboards to go have fun on the North Shore this morning, and I pulled this guy out of bullseye. Nearly got screwed. And surfboards and boogie boards. So there we were, bright and early on a Sunday morning, and I dragged my family out of bed, drove down to Haleiwa. Woo! Yeah, dude.
Yeah, that's the tree I want to go in.
Okay, watch out for the cars, okay? Go for it.
I mean, there's waves, but we're definitely fighting over it.
Is it really that busy?
Yeah. For what little there are, and they're all, like...
Small.
Close.
There, hey. Don't mess with my bullseye. Get your butt in there. Don't step on my surfboard, or your surfboard, I should say. Yeah, so we, so disappointed. We got up early. The surf forecast looked perfect. 2 to 4 feet. Weather conditions, everything was perfect for the little Grom, but it's just flat. And like, it would actually be perfect for her, but it's so crowded for what little waves there are. Because normally in Haleiwa, you'll have like, kind of like a 3-tiered, the big waves out there, medium waves, and then Grom size beginner waves. But today it's just really one wave, and there's just too many people for Alex to kind of get out there. I might pick up, but we're gonna go see further down the beach and see what happens. This is surfing. We just decided to head to the skateboard park. Let's go work on our skills.
Feels like it's gonna bind up on me.
You are brave. Wow, John. You know what? For the first time ever in a bowl, that was pretty good. I bet you it feels weird. Now, there you go, Hailey. So stand up and then down. Stand up, down. Hailey, you gotta do squats. Yeah, Hailey. Do you feel the swing action? It's like you're dancing with Dad. Did you guys have fun skateboarding with Dad?
Yes.
Feel the rhythm, Alex. Feel the rhythm, kid. You're doing great. Woohoo! Bend your knees. Bend your knees. Watch out, kid. The other skaters were so welcoming to our little girls. It actually, I don't know what I was gonna expect, but you never know sometimes when you're going into a new location, someone's turf, and especially with beginners, little kids, but they just, I don't know, they had every time they looked over at the girls, they just had this smile on their face. the backside. How'd the backside feel? Yeah. Backside. Woo! There you go. Yeah. Alex, get your butt low. That's right. This past week, Hailey actually had the stomach flu, and that poor child just was destroyed for days. And I thought we were over it, but here we were in the skateboard park, and it just came back, and she was like, I'm not feeling good. I'm like, it's okay. Morning, we headed home. And that's just part of having kids.
Mom, my three favorite beaches is Secret Beach, Turtle Bay, and Waimea.
We gave it some time for Hailey, and then we woke up the next day. She said, hey, I'm feeling better, Mom. I'm like, yes. So the girls and I, Alex really wanted to go to Waimea Bay. Are you guys ready to have some fun today?
Yes!
Whoa! All right. Usually just turn that corner, you can finally see, you get a good idea of what the North Shore is looking like. When it's cranking and the waves are massive, you can see it from out here. There's massive waves out in the distance. And when it's nice and calm, you can also see that from here. So the waves look good. The wind is like non-existent. The sun is shining. Hailey's feeling better today. These are all good signs for a good day. Notice that everyone always backs in. And if you don't back in, you're weird. Bend those knees. Wow! Why is Waimea Bay so popular? Because usually the beaches in Hawaii are rocky and clear. They're either rocky and clear and great for snorkeling, or they're sandy and murky but great for swimming. Waimea Bay is this perfect balance between those two things. It's got a sandy bottom, perfectly clear blue water, especially in the summer. Oh my gosh. But it still has a little bit of rocks to the side, so you still got some good snorkeling. This is where we saw the dolphins. Did I mention the dolphins? That was like one of the biggest highlights of my entire life, just having dolphins show up. It can be nice and gentle in the summer, and you can jump off that rock and snorkel, so it's great for little kids.
I saw the baby fish in the river. And also... Actually, it was tadpoles. No, a big baby fish.
It's warm. Okay? Are you ready to playing in the baby waves, Alex kept on like, I want to go over there, Mom. I want to go over there. What a fabulously beautiful day up on the North Shore. Like, this is just quintessential why I love living here, why I'm so grateful to be stationed here.
Hello. I'm stuck.
Mahalo for watching, you guys. And hey, if you haven't already by now, please give us a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. We'll see you guys later.